So whenever there's discussion of a genre of AI, or just AI in general, the comments are all eager to share their surefire way of detecting AI. For AI-generated videos, it's often production stuff. If it's overproduced, it couldn't possibly be one or a few people who got good at what they do. So I guess don't bother getting good at anything. It's an unchallenged form of cynicism or envy masquerading as some sort of survival guide. I hate it when I can barely focus on a video because for some reason the breath noises are so much louder than the speaking. I actually spend part of the time editing, finding and removing those noises. I don't like them. I don't want those noises in the video. To hold it up as bulletproof evidence of AI means accusing someone of AI just because they take time to edit their videos. Some even go as far as to say removing ums and speaking errors is strong evidence. As I do more videos, I will hopefully get better at speaking, and there will be less misspoken lines. That's called developing a skill, not becoming a robot. Also, AI insert breath noise all the time. It is nearly, if not equally, frequent and annoying as when people, on camera, pre-AI do it. You can't rule out something being AI just because it sounds like someone leaning into the mic and gasping for air every 2 seconds. Everything is taken to the extreme. Even stuff like VTubing is now considered automatically suspicious. I understand the apprehension and lack of trust in the face of this stuff flooding the internet, but the demand for authenticity is strangling art. We're treating art like it's some kind of exam, where every student needs to be closely monitored and their knowledge on dry, real-world technical knowledge is tested. Everything needs to be realistic or else it's an attack on truth. It's just depressing seeing the stuff shared around under the guise of saving art and culture. Artists are often accused of being all in on some kind of conspiracy to ruin art. If you take artists out of art, you just have robots, which they also hate, so that makes that motive suspicious. You can't demand novelty from art and culture, but then also demand art remain in stasis, a venerated relic of the past that is safeguarded from being ruined by anyone who could try to make something in the present or future.